Assalamualaikum students of class 4. I hope that you all are fine and doing well at home. We are back to the same situation. We all will be studying online for 1 month. I just want to say that please watch the video very carefully and do ask if you find any difficulty. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is the date today? 27th November 2020. Today we are going to learn about the past participles. But before starting our past participles, we all should know that what is present participle, because all of these are linking. We have read the present participles before. Who is going to tell me about what are present participles? Yes, Fatima. Yes, Fatima. Aves. You tell me about what are present participles. Yes, present participles are the ones in which we add ing with our first form of verbs. Very good. Present participles are the ones in which we add ing with our first form of verbs. So before moving to the present participles, we will revise that what is a verb. Who will tell me what is a verb? Yes, Ali, you are going to tell me what is a verb. Okay, now Zayan will tell me what is a verb. Yes, a verb is an action word. Any movement, any action that we do, that we perform is known as a verb. For example, Tehri, you tell me what is a verb? Alright, just give me an example quickly. Yes, I have an example for you as well. Walk, stand. All of these are the examples of verbs. The word is standing. कोई भी एक्शन, कोई भी चीज़ मेरा बेटा जो हम परफॉर्म करते हैं that is known as a verb. Just like I am standing over here. मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी हुई हूँ. I am walking. मैं walk कर रही हूँ. I am speaking. मैं बोल रही हूँ. You are listening. आप सुन रहे हैं. That these are all the examples of a verb. कोई भी एक्शन, कोई भी चीज़ जो हम परफॉर्म करते हैं that is known as a verb. अब हम बात करेंगे present participles की. Before talking about the present participles, it was very important for all of you to know what is a verb. Now we have the examples like walk, stand. So, present participles. अब ये present participles हमारे पास क्या होते हैं? Just like we have verbs over here, walk, stand. I will take these two examples. If we add ing with How many formal verbs do we have? Yes, we have 3 formal verbs. How many formal verbs do we have? 3 form of words. We have 3 formal verbs. And when we add ing with the first formal verb, it becomes a present participle, just like we have walk over here. What I will do? I will add ing with it. And what it will become? Hania, you tell me. What it will be? Walking. Very good. Same goes to the stand. If we will add ing with it, it will become standing. And quickly give me any other example. If I write jump over here, it will be jumping. Very good. So all these examples of verbs are known as the present participles when we add ing with them. Let me repeat myself again so that if there is any confusion to any one of you, it will be clear. First of all, you need to know that what is a verb. A verb is an action word, any action that you perform, any movement that you do, any work that is done, that is known as a verb. कोई भी काम मेरा बेटा जो आप करते हो उसको हम verb कहते हैं, जैसे उठना, बैठना, सोना, जागना, खाना, पीना, these are all the verbs. Every time, every second we are doing something, हम कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. Even when we are sleeping, that is also known as a verb. सोना भी एक काम है, ठीक है? That is also a verb. तो हर वक्त कोई ना कोई एक्शन हम सब परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. जिस तरह अभी मैं खड़ी हुई हूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं सुन रही हूँ, मैं देख रही हूँ, ठीक है? So all these are the verbs. अब जब हम इन्हीं वर्ब्स के साथ ing ऐड कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास यही जो वर्ब्स हैं हमारे पास प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स बन जाते हैं, ठीक है? दीज आर द प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स जिनको हम अपने सेंटेंसेस में एज एडजेक्टिव्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अब हम बात करेंगे पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स की. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स के लिए इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि आप सबको पता हो कि प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स क्या होते हैं. इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स वी हैव 3 फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब्स. इन्हीं प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स से नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स. ओके, लेट्स डू इट. What do we have over here? We have 3 columns. This is the present participle column. We write over here. This is the simple past column and this is the past participle column. Now, what present participles we had over here is walking, jumping, standing. Now, walking and jumping, we have the present participles. As you have read in the last class, you all should know about the regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are the verbs that end with ed. We have so many verbs. Those verbs that end with ed are known as the regular verbs. वो वर्ब जिनके एंड पे ईडी लगता है हम उनको रेगुलर वर्ब्स कहते हैं, और वो वर्ब्स जो कि चेंज होती हैं सेकंड फॉर्म में भी और थर्ड फॉर्म में, दे आर नोन एज the irregular verbs. Just like I have the first word over here, walking. This is the present participle. But if I write its first form will be, I will just cut over here. It will be walk. What is it? This is the first form of verb. Simple past is the second form of verb. So what will we do over here? Walk will be walked. We will add ed with it. If the second form remains as the third form, this is the regular verb. So walk, walk and walk. These are the regular verbs. वो verbs जो हमारे पास सिर्फ जिनके साथ simply ed add होता है and they remain as the second and third form of verb, they are known as the regular verbs. Okay? Let's talk about the next verb. Jumping. What will be jumping? What will it become? Yes, Abdul Rafi, you will tell me. What it will be? As a simple past form. So jumping will become jumped and jumped. Very good. So now these verbs are known as the regular verbs. Now we will take some examples of the irregular verbs in our sentences as well. Let's take them. If I write over here spending, okay. Think of some other example. Writing, okay, good. Eating, okay. Anyone else? Speaking, okay. So all these are the common verbs that we use. These are the things that we do in our regular routine. So it will be spent. Spent will be the first form. What will be the second form? Simple past. Spent and spent. Very good. It will remain the same. Spent is changed into spent and spent. Is it the regular verb or the irregular verb? Yes, it is the irregular verb because it is not ending on ed. The verbs that end on ed are the regular verbs. This is the irregular verb. What it will be? Writing, the first form will be write. Very good. And second form will be wrote. Well done, Hanya. In the third form, written. Very good, Fatima. Okay, it's start of boys. Eating. Eating will be Samama. Ate. Well done, Samama. Hasib. The third form will be eaten. Very good. Speaking. Who is going to tell me the second and third form of speaking? The simple past and the past participle of speaking. Who is going to tell me? Come on, quickly. Who's going to tell me? Yes? Spoke. Spoke is the right second form. And the third form will be spoken. Very good. Are you all clear with this concept of past participles? Is there any confusion? Great. Still, I will repeat it again so that if you have any confusion, it will be clear. Beta, we were talking about past participles. Let me repeat myself again. Before talking about the past participles, we all need to know that what is a verb. A verb is an action word. कोई भी action, कोई भी चीज़ मेरा बेटा जो हम perform करते हैं, कोई भी action करते हैं, कोई भी काम करते हैं, वो हमारे पास verb कहलाता है. ठीक है, जैसे उठना, बैठना, सोना, जागना, walk, jumping, standing, reading, writing, listening, jumping, all of these are the verbs. Whenever we add ing to our verbs, that becomes the present participles, and we can also use these present participles as adjectives in our sentences. So moving towards the past participles, we have two form of there are two kind of verbs: regular verbs and irregular verbs. The form of verbs that we have over here is three. There are three form of verbs: first form of verb, second form of verb, and third form of verb. So there are two kinds of verbs: the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. All those verbs that end on ed and they are same in the second form of verb and the third form of verb are known as the regular verbs, and all the verbs that change in the second form of verb and also in the third form of verb, they are known as the irregular verb. Just like we have on the fifth point, there is eating. The first form of verb will be eat, the second form of verb will be ate, and the third form of verb will be eaten. Okay, now they are the irregular verbs. The second form of verb is used as the simple past form of verb, and the third form of verb is used as the past participle form of verb. I hope that you all are clear till here. अभी भी अगर आप में से किसी बच्चे को कोई भी confusion हो या कोई चीज़ समझ में नहीं आ रही हो, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group or on the Google Classroom. Let's solve a little exercise related to this one.